Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make an A-line skirt using the skirt block, which I will link below. So to start, you're going to want to trace around the front skirt block and mark in all your darts and information. Okay, so now you're going to want to turn that dart into two separate 1 centimeter darts. So to do this, you're going to need to measure the waist and then divide it by 3. So from the centre front, measure in the result that you got from dividing your waist measurement and then mark this point. So now measure from the side seam the same measurement as before and then mark this point. So at these points, measure half a centimetre each side. Okay, so go ahead and mark in these darts using the same length as the original dart. So from the end of these darts, you're going to want to draw a vertical line the whole way down to the hemline. So at the hemline, you're going to want to measure out 2.5 centimetres from the side seam, and you're going to draw a straight line to bring that right up to the hip. And this is just going to add a bit of a flare to the hem. So now go ahead and just cut out that pattern. So once you've that done, you're going to need to cut up those lines from the dart, but make sure that you stop at the bottom of the dart. Okay, so now we need to close the darts. So just simply fold the darts over towards the centre front and then use some tape to keep them closed. And now you can actually see that A-line shape forming. Okay, so using some fresh paper, you're going to want to trace around the new shape, marking in all your pattern information. And that's pretty much your front done. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the back. So what you're going to need to do again is trace out the back skirt block and mark in all of your information. Okay, so this time you're going to turn the 2 darts into 1 dart. So halfway between the 2 darts, mark in a point and now measure 1 centimetre each side of that point. Draw in your dart the same length as the shortest dart. So from the original dart, you're going to draw vertical lines down to the hemline. So like the front, you're going to cut out your pattern and then you're going to cut up those lines so that they meet the bottom of the darts. So now you're going to go ahead and close the original darts by folding them over towards the centre back and then tape them closed. So before we trace around the pattern, you're going to need to add the 2.5 centimetres out from the hemline. I was supposed to do this in the beginning but I forgot, but that's no problem, you can still do it from here. So now go ahead and trace out the rest of your pattern and mark in all of your information. And that is it. So now you can go ahead and make a solid block from this pattern so that you have an A-line solid, or you can just add your seam allowance and then make your skirt from your pattern. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye guys!